2. Working life. 1. Could you tell me what you do for a living?
I work in the Foreign Trade Department. I'm in sales. It is my job to bring foreign investors to the city to open up a business here.
2. What are your responsibilities at work?
I have to develop a strategy for bringing foreign investment to Beijing. I work together with other departments to basically sell and promote Beijing as a good place to start a business.
3. What is the most interesting part of your work?
The most interesting part of my work is meeting people from other countries. To me, people are very interesting, and I am keen on learning the customs and cultures of other countries.
4. Is there anything you don't like about your job?
The pay is one thing that I don't like about my job. My boss is another thing that I don't like about my job. The distance to the office is the last thing that I don't like about my job.
5. Is your job very important to you?
My job is very important to me. If I didn't have my job, I wouldn't be sitting here in front of you, applying for a chance to go overseas.
6. Would you like to change your job?
I don't want to get stuck at this job that I am working at now. I am still young, so I want to learn as much as I can, and then I plan on starting my own business.
7. Do you often get together with your colleagues, workmates, after work?
I do get together with my colleagues after work as much as I can. When I get together with them, we can shoot the breeze and have a few beers. I really look forward to getting together with them and count on it to make my week.